I don't think I've washed my hands quite as much as I have these past few weeks. And I mean, it's like, it's all rough, you can see in my hands, but I'm doing my bit. I've been out of the game for almost a year, and this is not how I expected to do my first video back. And it feels wrong for me to show the video that I did have in light of everything that's going on. So this is a completely different video to say, yes, I'm back. I've enjoyed a good year away whilst I have supported my wife through her pregnancy and obviously the birth of our child Theo, who is now 2 months old. And I thought, now's about the time to get back into it and really show everybody where I want to take this channel now, even more so as I try to rebrand and really make this channel something that it should be, which I don't think I've quite hit on just yet. And I am going to do my rebranding video. It's going to happen next, but for now, I mean, the world's gone crazy. What's happened? I've never known anything like this to happen in my entire life. It's crazy, and where do we start? I mean, bye. See you in a bit. Bye, mate. See ya. So it has been about 18 months since I've been on a proper run. Not by choice. I have been injured and I'm still injured. I've got to take things very slowly. But in light of everything that's going on, this is something that I used to absolutely love. Going off for a run and just forgetting about everything. Losing my mind in the run. Potentially thinking about animation projects and other things I can film, and just forgetting about the world. And at times like this, we need to be doing that, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. There's been so much negativity recently about everything that's going on with the whole self-isolating and that, but what it does mean is you can go off and have walks and have a look around and see the beauty of the world that we live in, which we take for granted. And I mean, look at where I am right now. It's calling me, like the rainbow, it's calling me. This is literally 10 minutes from where I live. And I've only just found it today. How sad is that? How sad is that I've lived where I've lived now for 2 years and I didn't even know that this beautiful place existed. And it just makes you think, you know, we need to have that time to break away from the busy world and enjoy what we have. And it's this. It's absolutely this. And who knows how long this virus is gonna go on for, and whether it be another 4 weeks, another 10 weeks, 12 weeks, We have no idea, but what we do have is ourselves. We have this amazing world that we live in, that maybe we realise now we need to not take it for granted as much as we have done. Maybe this is the world just resetting. Maybe we all just need to reset and start again. I'm starting again by doing my running, hopefully getting my lungs better, back to how they should be. So yeah, I mean, let's just remember what we've got. Let's look after ourselves, let's look after each other, especially let's self-isolate for the more vulnerable, and hopefully we'll all pull through this together. I'm back.